To pay with Cash App on Temu. Start by opening the Temu app and browsing for the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options. Click on the option that says Pay with Cash App. You will be redirected to the Cash App website where you will be prompted to enter your Cash App login credentials. Enter your phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account and the corresponding password. After logging in, you will see the payment details, including the total amount to be paid and the payment method. Make sure the payment details are correct and then click on the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message from Cash App once the payment is successful. And Temu will also send you an order confirmation email with the details of your purchase. It is essential to ensure that your Cash App account has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the transaction. Also, be aware of any fees associated with using Cash App for transactions, such as instant transfer fees. To avoid any issues during the payment process, make sure your Cash App account is verified and you have the latest version of the Temu app installed on your device. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Cash App on Temu and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Using Cash App to pay on Temu is a convenient and secure way to shop online. And by understanding the payment process, you can make the most out of your shopping experience.